chese nka ubedware trom ubekum trom na wadware sesa duro de nka ma ne dan ho ahene ko ne bebia anka ebeboa pa se ubeche aboa bia abedwudwa no na afi ubewie na afi gise okodi lai ekoje sasa ho aduro de ene nka udwa no modi nimdika koye ne ale ante hai anka ebeboa pa aha P0lice GH maji ekonwa ide na chese trending news latest update any daily trends nkwana chese simple fefe mababa no me dey bra mu kama na me ka se mafia ganga adwe be di kan about team first kwenga fashion diga in fact enye about team first enye boni is say ono eno ye do so proprietor and the brain behind the gang na kwenga fashion diga ene omo include as follows and the Mrs. Bedun Tiamu anso ka ho bi sister Tracy Boachi aka papa no onu so wo mbi and Diamond Appiah aka self boss ene audio money and audio money CEO so ewo mbi nti ene Queen Fashion Stiga na nkasa herself she doesn't need any explanation her name explains itself and Mafia gang assistant Mafia gang CEO Mrs. Bedun Tiamu Tracy Boachi aka papa no and sana Diamond Appiah audio money CEO and so the no abegim na chese mo mi ese nyina ubo mudi you have something to wrap around the time we di bibia o de be boss simple fefe na nim say yeti kurom ha na say ye yeti kurom ha no ma menka ne say unim say ye nimu for something adekro ne ye nimu for no wo ye danya de ye pepa in a sense that ye kan papa no asem about Tracy Boachi kan waware of course okoni be bi oni ni kunu omo babra de but still when you mention Tracy Boachi you don't add papa no a lot of people seem not to know her until the papa na ka ho na ache say abo no simple fefe sa ena Diamond Appiah so ya na ka me akwa ente ntokwa ne dressing bi ono nkwa ne dressing style bi aso obesha tare bi wo mse Ghana for the oma no si Tracy Boachi ho say most of the times o chere nim combination tumi she trousers green o ba no she top violet wine began the peach ni nyina o tumi de frafra sa ya kasa ho ama ye nyina enim se Tracy Boachi de color combinations ne se ne obesha top and down won timi she but Diamond Appiah o say ono a fashion guru. Oh yeah, for instance, she's a rich woman. She's a I don't know how to explain it, but she's one of the top-notch people when it comes to dressing. Or no sugar na for can want them to ask me to dress here for chow. As me see na you say, as me see na dressing and what's about what do. And when you see age and if you're a snigger and it was and baby. If you can't understand that you can't in the hobas or for some kind about depression, any depression, and a kuno na simple for fair so what you say Ayisha Modi. Or nay, Diamond Appiah nya stem concerning this. First, as I see who was the man. Yes, I shall more demand Diamond Appiah $40,000 US. Diamond Appiah first say I need UK and I need US and no between in dollars. Into dollars na there. What dear mommy, magic na emom cemetery I met 40,000 cedis. Now one kasa. Oh, kasa say wherever we move on. Na just a diamond a journey up in the fee. Or person or dilute $3 no hard currency no. Eba oil money and I say water currency na chese on ties kari nyina dodo na $40,000 US say $1 cry 5 cedi kura na chese e be times 4 of the Ghana cedis as 40,000 Ghana cedis na etiaba na sa so nim se so trom yenu de e mani ni ye ena dijja wo so eni muna na nam nti Ayisha Modi expake ankasa ni kanika say tutu because on tre ho e ma ne nyonko ba mfa ne se me wura de ni asesa eno de enye possible wo kura nkanya de abepeni nti e ba ne sa no ode ko police station ni ade nti emu ho no ena ko chechem to 40,000 na emu me series enye dollars na police force ni asmesi ye nti ase de opese wo ye bia yeah but you all at the end of the day you have to bring the money whether you are paying in cedis or you are paying in dollars the money has to amount to this particular sum of it, which is the $40,000 US. Into cedis so pounds so sterling no sikebi abetuan bia euro so dirham so they here understand the money is supposed to sum up to the $40,000 US she paid na say enunti na fraud tag abeda Diamond Appiah so na Ghana for say okay yati ase enya sadia sa mafia gang na nkasa no omo ye fraud gang Mafia gang na say fraud gang wa won ti asem ye nchire mu sem Queen Exp0sed Mafia atiti kurom ha ya tete nsem bebre say oh efia de oni MPB ana oni way oni big man bi ko ye bibia then she will blackmail you then she will take your money and also she will come and deny the fact that is not true near there but a lot of things and penifo say asema any dance here so ye hu bi any dia dance here it ye hu ye kra mpo ye hu kwa akire ye hu chema hu ntimi de a Exp0sed Mafia kwatena ha kwa kikan nsem bebre asesi akada ne manso a e de ama ne bebre e kire no mame mbra assistant na achese Tracy Boache so ensema ya foforo no ho about papa no e na papa da yem say na me rich woman okay emre bi o ne miss boy ekono kire mu se papa no enya se o yusu wadampe wa na nka 7 mpeduasa obefa me osan before ye de na me omo me say this amount of money every day enya sa me ye ni say na achese blackmail no second charge no ansa na Diamond Appiah so ono so ye member of the mafia gang no enso akwaji Ayisha mo di sika $40,000 or say 40,000 Ghana cedis no na achese no kura ni nyame anim the crew everybody is a fraud na Ghana for adwen ye omo say no kura say won tia say di no pepe mama no e no kura because ankadi people baako enye anase people baako for people baako di ho ni enka ebia you are friends sinti enfa ne say enka tie baako na asa emu nyina but when you look at them from the head to the secretary to the treasurer no omu nyina they have that same pace as in there is this background around them and it's some way somehow connecting to connection money it's any obeda daw any asimesi and sika no na Diamond Appiah say we were plot mo asa me a real estate agent na acha say unim sa oni fan you see help your own support women and any women in power women in progression na acha say onyonko ba aton ade there is no way obesan ko tiska ma benka techie ze na me nto wo ho da fa sika no koye sebe se kun semti ani o de be bo ba no wan fa nto hwe kura no o de beto wig bi ahye mo hu se oh sebe ho ye fede na say we are supporting ourselves na say at the end of the day you come and then run yourself up and come and collect the money and if you collected the money you are also coming to tell me that the money you can pay you see this abra wunim say I paid in a hard currency there na say we finalize their mind the mafia gang is a scam gang it's any odi to na them a work and if you as nigga you say and I Tracy Boache or no dey no ho kwhye ne ho and I say ni nyina na say say ano we are boiling up to the end they say no kure de nyame anim no kure if they have another emblem if they have another coat of arm and as another branding omo be wrap it e be kire ya we are waiting for them aside that they na say whatever is going on right now in this situation in this country as in anything concern the mafia gang is scam. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Like, edino ye mafia. Edino ye mafia. We didn't think smart, but edino ye mafia. It's gang and kasazo. Oh, be a mafia. No loose guard person is inside that gang. Hey, P0lice.
Hey yo, you don't know P0lice. Don't worry, representing. Keep it locked. Don't log off.
Keep watching P0lice. They are the best.
Yes, keep on watching P0lice. Yes, so.